Oh, it's a different angle. I'm moving on. Y'all do some really weird things with your PC products. This guy put together a list of the worst of it. I'm gonna see what you guys do. When you hit restart instead of shutdown, when you realize that you have an SSD and it doesn't matter. This is how we're starting. This is like the weakest start I've ever seen.
Yeah, it was the first thing I could find.
Oh no. I could totally see myself using a hammer to hit in some RAM. Is that cream cheese?
I think it's cream cheese.
He's cream cheesed that CPU. Duct tape? What is happening? Let's play a game. Who can identify the substance seen here? That looks like child diarrhea or potentially mush banana. Did the comments say what that is? Rotten banana. Yes, I was right. Woo! Ha-ha!
Oh, she's dusty.
Yeah, no crap. I've had a computer look like this before. Job titled, iPhone battery expanded like a balloon. Did you? You should poke it. It looks like one of those tubes, you know those squeezy tubes that you can put your finger in? Spicy pillow, that's right. It is a spicy pillow. That's what it looks like. Today's video is brought to you by Helix Sleep, my friends. I'm getting the best sleep of my life all of the time because of Helix Sleep mattress. Me and my wife have a Dusk Luxe king-size mattress, and boy, howdy, do we get ever so good sleep in bed. We've had it since we moved here to PA in July, and the last 6+ months have been the best sleep we've ever gotten because of just how comfy it is, and it was here day one as we arrived into our new home. It was waiting for us. I carried it up the stairs with my dad, I unfurled it, and I unpacked it, and that's exactly how Helix Sleep will bring their mattress to you, delivered straight to your door. You want to find out which mattress you can choose? They have a sleep quiz that'll allow you to find out whether you're a slide sleeper, a back sleeper, what firmness you like. If you have a partner, you can take the quiz with them, and then it'll give you the result of the best mattress that's going to be for you. I'm a side sleeper who likes it medium. My wife is a back sleeper who likes it medium as well, and that's why we settled on the Dusk Luxe. That came up in our sleep quiz, and I tell you, they got it right. The sleep quiz was 100% accurate. Like I mentioned, you don't even need to go to a store. They're gonna deliver it to your door for free. And in case you're worried about buying a mattress and not ever trying it, don't worry. They've got a 100-night sleep trial, which allows you to test it, break it in, make sure that you're actually good with what you're sleeping on. And if you don't like it, they'll pick it up for you for a full refund. And Helix mattresses have a 10-year warranty. They offer financing options as well as flexible payments. So a great night's sleep is never far away. And I can tell you, after having my Helix mattress for 100 nights, I never once, there was not a single night where I was like, I had it better when I had a worse mattress. And I personally love having Helix Sleep as a sponsor because they've provided beds whenever I've needed one. When it was Reece and Catlin who moved here from South Africa, they got free beds from Helix Sleep. When I needed a king size when I moved to PA, they hooked me up with that. I've moved Reece and Catlin's beds to my kids, and now they're getting the best sleep of their lives regardless. Helix Sleep has always been there for the UFD Tech channel, and they can be there for you if you check them out. And if you're looking to get a new bed, you can check out Helix by going to helixsleep.com/UFD Tech, which will get you $200 off a mattress plus 2 free pillows. Again, check out helixsleep.com/UFD Tech to save $200 off, get those free pillows, and get the best night's sleep of your life. Big thanks to Helix for sponsoring today's video.
How to make any laptop a tablet.
He's gonna open it straight across, isn't he? Yep, I saw that coming. Nice use of the Home Depot beat. I saw where he was going. That laptop has to be dead. Like, he's not gonna use that, but that does hurt. And there are legitimate ways you can turn a PC screen into a, you could totally. Effing chat, sold rest in peace is my RTX 3060 Ti that came in the mail. What happened to the heatsink? No. Bro, it looks like an elephant sat on it. Like, that just looks like it was mushed. Like somebody just really pressed with tons of force. What's the state of the box? Did someone drive over it? Yeah, that's the first question. I wish I could tell you, but I have no effing idea how they turned a double slot card into a single slot.
Look, we gotta go ball, son.
So we had this idea. This was actually when I hired my first employee all the way back in 2017. We were like trying to come up with like PC build ideas, and a suspension-based PC was an idea that we had. Ah, yes, heat. Why does this have 8,000 upvotes? This meme is like, yeah, 2 years ago. What is this old crap you're putting in here? I can tell you this was a dated meme. The graphic settings, minimum graphic settings, ultra graphic settings. I like the fact that this is a recent meme and they use the whole Spider-Man thing. Apparently my cooling sandwich isn't the safest thing. That's an external drive. That's totally fine. Bro, the water's not gonna get in. Yeah, it's sealed. You should be fine. I would totally do this. If that was an exposed PCB, if you were cooling sandwich in like your CPU cooler, maybe. But this, I'm all for this. That's ingenuity right there.
So we're gonna install a RAM first.
No. Oh!
Line up the triangles.
No, that doesn't fit. Don't put it in there. it doesn't fit, don't force it in. Trust me, I have
Drop
experience.
pin socket. And I accidentally bent the pins, and now I don't know what to do, but I got it in the socket.
I don't like that. That's bad ASMR. Oh.
Here is a PC tip I guarantee you didn't know.
I don't believe you. A PC tip I didn't know? I'm no Linus, but I don't believe you.
If you're ever not sure your computer's on or off, you can go to this website, ismycomputeron.com, and it'll tell you if it's on. Looks like we're...
Damn it! I've seen this guy before, and he does do like helpful things. Son of a nutcracker. Should not have downloaded that extra RAM. My PC virus. Just break it. Don't click on shady links. You're the #1 antivirus. It works. No, it doesn't. I don't believe you. It's freaking running off of battery power. No chance. No chance that works. And if it does, it's wrong. Like, you could touch that string and get the ouchie. Like, just because the laptop's on, it could just be on battery. Like, this doesn't indicate that. No, this is a fake picture. This is fake news. Northbridge got a little too toasty for my liking. Is that like a 3D printed clip with a fan? Oh, I love that. We're in tech support MacGyver. That makes a lot of sense. I like this. I need a 3D printer. We should get on this. Is that there's a speaker in a thin client. I mean, why not? That's awful. Doesn't sound good, doesn't look good. That's not how steering wheels work. Oh no.
So we got the new PC setup running.
I've seen it before where people have modded like their cases to have like the ignition to turn it on. NVIDIA's RTX 4090 Ti power connector leaked, smokestacks, the plug, and then 5 plugs in each. There goes the Texas power grid. Got him.
My lordy, lord.
What is the noise and then why? I've met people who do this kind of stuff. Are you okay? You need me to take you out to lunch? Do you need to work through some stuff? Like, why? Making Elden Ring memes still comes out day 3. Problems, anxiety, good night, sleep, healthy sex life, me, Elden Ring. What is this? Do you have anything to say for yourself? Because this is bad.
I don't recall putting that on the list.
Oh my gosh. Mr. Easter, I was waiting for him. Oh no, he's drilling it to the wall. Oh! That's smart. That's a neat way of doing it. And then you could also even do it with like the graphics card slots on the PCI Express. You could totally do it in a whole bunch of different ways. No. I just don't like this. Something bad happened. He said, my mom slammed my laptop on the ground in a broken hat. Man, I'm sorry. One of my friends who shall not be named share with me something horrifying. That's caked on there. It's not getting no airflow. I can taste that. Is that bad? But this is, like, that's gotta be an old CPU. Like, it doesn't bother me when it's like the CPU is so many years old. That motherboard's super old. Oh, what is that? That bother, is that mold? That can't just be dust. Don't like that one. Okay, so this one's fine. You're supposed to wash it in the dishwasher. Like, that's totally safe. As long as you don't use any chemicals, you can wash your components in a dishwasher. It's not gonna be a problem. Liquid nitrogen overclockers do this all the time, especially when they put like Vaseline on stuff. The easiest way is to throw it in the dishwasher. You take out the CMOS battery, you're good to go. That's like, some of this is, oh! They gave me a good one, and then they hit me with that. Oh, it's a different angle. I'm moving on. Insert the CPU, make sure thermal paste on pins, check, perfect fit. See, it doesn't bother me because it's not real.
All right, bro. It's time. It's time.
Is it gonna like explode? Yeah.
All right, bro. It's time.
It was going on for too long. I got suspicious. It didn't really explode. That's an effect on TikTok. What? You didn't know? You just think this was real? Is that why you put it in there? If you want to see how to really put a PC together, go watch this video.